Tired of distractions? Get ready to experience pure audio bliss with the Sony WH-1000XM5 noise-canceling headphones. These aren't just good, they offer industry-leading noise cancellation that literally silences your world, from roaring airplane engines to bustling office chatter, letting you focus. Imagine uninterrupted work, immersive music, or serene travel. That's the power the XM5s bring to your everyday. And with an astounding 30-hour battery life, you can power through multiple long-haul flights or an entire work week without ever worrying about a recharge. It's freedom from the charging cable, making them the ultimate travel companion for any music lover or busy professional. But the smarts don't stop there. Multi-point connection means you can seamlessly switch between your laptop and phone, taking calls or watching movies without missing a beat. This intuitive technology truly sets them apart, blending premium sound quality with unparalleled convenience for a truly effortless listening experience. If you're looking to upgrade your audio and finally invest in the best noise-canceling headphones available, the Sony WH-1000XM5 are absolutely worth it. You can find the best deals and grab your pair today using the Amazon link in our description below. Don't just listen. Experience your audio like never before. The Sony WH-1000XM5 is our top recommendation for 2025 and beyond.